All right, we're going to calculate, we're going to create a histogram for the median listing price. Select the data that I want. I'm going to select the median listing price header and going down to D170, 179, which is the end of the east, north, central. I'm just going to select a bunch of numbers. Okay, and I'm going to insert a chart. Now there's a lot of different options that there'll be. This is the default chart, but I don't want this. And over here on the side, you can see there's choices for the type of chart. And there's suggested charts. The one I want is the histogram of median listing price. And there we go. We get a nice histogram, and it's labeled up top, history of median listing price. Listing price is here, and the prices go along. The frequency is given in this axis, and that looks pretty good. That's how you can create a histogram in Google Sheets.